Okay, I thought I'd try to get a 0 to 60 time on my 93 GMC with a manual 5-speed transmission, the NV4500, with a few performance mods, notably the A-Team Turbo, and this is with water injection, no methanol, just water injection. Here we go. Also, this is a full four-door long bed truck. I weigh out at the scales at about 8,200 pounds, and I'm fully loaded, which I am now. I've got a fifth wheel RV hitch in the back. I'll try to get a shot with the, I don't know, with the boost gauge here as well. 0 to 60. Again, A-Team Turbo can spool up pretty quickly.